Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's flooded with myths and misconceptions. Diets. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by the vast world of dietary advice, stick around because we're about to debunk some of the most popular diet myths out there. Let's start with a big one. Carbs make you gain weight. Now, it's not as simple as that. Carbohydrates are a primary energy source for our bodies. It's the type of carbs and the quantity that matter. Whole grains, fruits, and veggies? Those are good carbs. It's the excessive sugars and refined carbs you want to watch out for. Instead of cutting out carbs completely, focus on incorporating more whole foods into your diet. Try swapping out white bread for whole grain options or adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals. Moving on to myth number 2, eating fat makes you fat. This couldn't be further from the truth. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and fish are essential for your brain and body function. It's about balance and choosing the right types of fats. Instead of avoiding fats altogether, focus on incorporating healthy fats into your diet. Add some avocado to your salad or snack on a handful of nuts. Next up, skipping meals helps you lose weight. This can actually backfire. Skipping meals often leads to overeating later on because, well, you're starving. Consistent, balanced meals are key to maintaining a healthy metabolism. Instead of skipping meals, try eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. This can help keep your energy levels stable and prevent overeating. Here's a trendy one. Detox diets cleanse your body. Our bodies are pretty incredible and are equipped with their own powerful detoxifiers like the liver and kidneys. Most detox diets don't have scientific backing and are often just quick fixes that don't lead to long-term health. Instead of relying on detox diets, focus on maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated. Your body will take care of the rest. Lastly, high-protein diets are the best for weight loss. Protein is vital, but like everything else, moderation is crucial. Too much protein can strain your kidneys and miss out on other essential nutrients. Instead of focusing solely on protein, aim for a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients. Incorporate lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables into your meals. So, the next time you hear these diet myths, you'll know the truth. Remember, the best diet is one that's balanced and tailored to your personal needs. Always consult with a health professional before making major changes to your diet. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more myth-busting and truth-revealing content. See you next time, and remember, a healthy lifestyle is about balance and making informed choices. Take care and stay healthy.